Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of improvements on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of improvements on Pinterest, we click on settings. This page of settings, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on search and you will search about Pinterest app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. You will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click either cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.